guys, it's Laura from TuxedoPlanners, back with a plan with me in my personal Hobonichi weeks for the week of June 17th through June 23rd. I can't believe we're already on the third week of the month here, or the 25th week of the year according to my Hobonichi. So we're going to jump right in, and as you can see, I've already did the traditional outline that I always do for my spread for the week, and I'll give you kind of a look at this week and what's going on with this week so far. And as you can see, I had some household chores today, but other than that, it's a pretty slow rest of the week. So that's that week, but we're going to get started. The kit I'll be using today is from Perfect Prints Co., and I had this in an unboxing not that long ago, and I think it's an absolutely beautiful kit. It pulls in some of my favorite colors, which are the blues and the purples, and it's got this gorgeous under the sea washi theme here, and it's that full washi that I love so much. So this should be a simple spread, fairly quick and easy, or at least I say that now, but we're going to hope it's quick and easy. But let's jump right into. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down my full washi on the bottom of my Hobonichi. And get this side going. So how are you guys doing today? It is Friday here, and my day is kind of, I don't know, it's kind of all over the place. You ever had those days when if something could go wrong, it just does? I mean, that everything is just like you're off kilter, you're like, just feel, I don't know, stressed, maybe? I have no idea. Sometimes I think I suffer from anxiety. I have anxiety issues. I don't know. But anyway, today's one of those days when I feel like that, you know. And particularly I do now after that just happened to my chicken. And her name was Henrietta Chicken. She was my favorite chicken. She would always come to me and let me pick her up and love on her. And oh my gosh, what was she doing under my tires in my car? And I have a backup camera on my van, you know, and I always look because, you know, I know those chickens are always there, and I'm very careful about them and where they're at all times. And I don't know how I did not see her, and it just breaks my heart, and breaks my heart. I don't know. Sometimes I almost, you know, I get so attached to my animals, you know, my chickens included, and you know, particularly my chickens. I love chickens. I've had chickens for years, ever since we moved here back in '03. I've had chickens because I just enjoy them so much, and I get attached to them. And when something happens to them, I take it pretty hard. So I'm feeling a little down right now. Anyway, back to the kit. All right, so I've got my bottom washi down, my top washi, and my date covers down. I'm going to add my weekend sticker along the edge here. And get that down. There we go. I love that there's a weekend sticker. And I need to put a to-do down up here. Okay, got that. And I'm going to section these off into some boxes here, I think. I'm going to use my little checklist and put those down for my to-dos. And I'm going to start those right here. I'm just going to put those here. Don't have a lot of to-dos, so I'm going to kind of just leave those there. I need another little thin strip of washi. Wonder if I can use, I think I'm going to use one of these Simply Gilded ones here that I got from this last subscription. So I think I'm going to use this one. And I'm just going to run it across. like so. There we go. And I don't want to cover up my 6, so I'm going to kind of back that off some. There we go. So I'm going to put that there, the little bow washi. That's cute. And that will section off that section of my planner. Move you guys up a little bit. Are you guys kind of dark, aren't you? Let's see if I can lighten you up some. There we go. I guess that's a little bit lighter. All right, so then we're going to do probably a to clean sticker, maybe? Who knows? Why not? So I'm going to put a couple of these checklists down for this. I don't have a lot in this category. Start those there, and I'll probably put 2 there. And then I'll probably do one more category down here for a, maybe I'll do a to buy. I haven't done that lately. So we'll do a to buy. I don't want to put anything work related in here because my this is not my work Hobonichi. So I really don't want to do that. And there we go. To clean, we got that in. And then I'm going to do probably this week. I'm on a no spend, so I can't do anything with spending. I think I'll just do it this week. And put some more of these in. I think I can only get, I'm going to have to cut one down. So I think I'm going to cut this one down real quick. And let's see, let me get in my pouch and get my scissors. Okay, so do only 2 there. There we go. So we have a to do, a to clean, and this week. That's perfect. There. I might do some washi on, give the breaks. I like this washi, so I think I'm going to use it. Maybe I'll use this darker one. No. Yeah, I think I like this light one. I'm going to continue to use this washi across my boxes just because I like it. Just because I can, I think I'm going to do it. Why not? My planner, my rules, right? Y'all ever heard that saying? My life, my rules. I think that's the saying. I love that saying. My life, my rules. I'm going to go back and cut the edges. Don't worry. I'm not going to leave it looking like, you know, I don't know if I like this or not. I don't know if I like this. Maybe I don't like it like that. Maybe that's just a little too much. Let's see. I don't know. I just love this Simply Gilded washi so much I got to use it everywhere. I need it like everywhere. Yeah, I think that's going to be too much to take up my spaces. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that. So I'm going to pull this off. I'll save it and put it. Okay, so I'm going to pull this washi up because I think it's going to take up too much of my boxes. And I don't think I like that. Oops. But apparently it sticks really good, so try not to rip my paper here. All right, so I also don't know if I like the placement of this week either. Yeah, there we go. That'll do. Okay. All right, so now then, let's focus on what else we got here. I do need to put some work schedules down, so I think I'm going to add this turquoise box up here. I'm going to use a purple Papermate Inkjoy pen. And the schedules are as follows. My husband is off. And my son is 7 to 4. My son-in-law is 10 to 8. And we're going to use another box here. And for Tuesday, my husband is 7 to 4. My son is 8 to 5. And my son-in-law works 10 to 8. His hours never fluctuate. He works at the Sheriff's Department. And his schedule is usually pretty set. And I'm just going to pop these two here. And then Wednesday, let's see, he's got some physical therapy appointments. Wednesday, he's got one at 9:30. So we're just going to put Ron PT at 9:30. And he's got another one he's got one on Thursday. And we're going to use this box. No, it's not. Yeah, let's use this box. And he's got Ron PT at 3:30. So we have the 19th, the 20th. And then he has one on Monday. So let's do Monday. Monday, he's got one at 9 a.m. 9 o'clock. So we got Ron PT at 9. All right, so we got that in. So that's all of his physical therapy appointments. And for the weekend, I'm going to go on and put in these little to-dos for Saturday, just so I have a little checklist, even though I don't think I'm really going to be doing anything too much this weekend, or this next weekend. So usually I try and keep my weekends pretty clear of stuff. So I'm just going to pop those in. And what else do we have to do? All right, so I got some cute little Under the Sea characters from Shine Sticker Studio I thought I would go on and use. We're going to put the little seahorse up here. And we're going to put some bubbles around him. I think I'm going to put this cute little octopus, give her a little bubble. And I love the little clam. So I think we're going to put her up here. Give her some bubbles. And I love the little crab. Reminds me of Sebastian from The Little Mermaid. So we're going to put him there. And I've got the sun. And I'm going to put the sun up here. And I have this really cute turtle. I think I'm going to put him there. So these are really cute. I love these little stickers. Put some more little bubbles laying around them. Give the turtle a little bubble. Okay, so that gets all the little stickers. So that's cute. A little under the water theme there going on. So I've got those. I have to have my little Disney stickers in, so I'm going to put a cute little Marie in. And I'm going to put her up top. Then for Sunday, I'm going to put, actually for the weekend, Sleep In for that one. And for Tuesday, I probably will be doing some work on the computer, so I'm going to put that in. Wednesday is usually my shopping day, so that's going to go in for shopping. And I need a little payday sticker. So Wonton and a Million, I'm going to put my little payday in for Wednesday. And to clean, let's see, fold laundry. Let's see where I can put this in at. Probably on Monday. I'll have to go back and track my my weather. And oh, these stickers are from Planning with Jazz. The little stickers here. And appointment. We're going to put a cute little kawaii girl in from my shop. She's a cutie. And change the bedding. We're going to do that probably on Tuesday. And that's good. That's good. Instagram and Facebook, I use another planner. Okay, guys, I think that's going to be it for this one. This one's pretty short and sweet, as you can see, but I love how it turned out. I think it's so cute with the underwater theme and the little deco that I put around, and for the weekend we're going to be lazy and sleep in. I think it looks good. Now I know as my week goes on I will be obviously adding as I go, but this is it for right now, guys. I hope you like it, and if you do, please hit the subscribe button. Join my family. I love all you guys, and I want to thank so much for everyone that has joined me so far. I love each and every one of you. Please add some comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And with that, guys, I'm off. Take it easy. Bye.